Hey, call that.
Raise your hand, raise your hand.
Hey, back up, back up. Back up.
Back up, back up, back up.
Why are they retreating? Why is an entire tactical squad running from a single suspect? Did they lose the advantage? Or did they just see something that changed everything? Something is wrong, very wrong. To understand the events that unfolded, we must first look at the location. The address is 11,500 Gilmore Street in North Hollywood. On the surface, it is a quiet residential block. But for the Los Angeles Police Department, this address was a primary target for a major narcotics operation. Officers from the gang and narcotics units arrived here with a court-authorized search warrant. They were prepared for a routine raid. But they did not know that 70-year-old Arsen Zalyan was waiting inside, and he was not planning to go quietly.
This is from Los Angeles Police Department. We have a search warrant. Anyone inside 11 Gilmore Street, come out with your hands up and follow officer's command.
This is the legal countdown. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers must follow the knock and announce rule. They are giving the suspect a chance to end this peacefully. But every second of silence is a gamble. While the police wait for a response, the man inside is making a choice. And that choice will determine if everyone goes home alive.
I got the room. Sir. Stand by. Ready.
In an environment like this, silence is a warning. The officers are moving into a tactical nightmare where every corner is a blind spot. They are searching for a suspect who has had plenty of time to prepare. They are looking for a person, but the person in the shadows has already chosen his ground.
Hey, call that.
Raise your hand, raise your hand.
Hey, back up, back up. Back up.
Back up, back up, back up.
Back up.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Back up. Hey, Ryan, back up. Back up. Hold up.
Watch your step, watch your step, watch your step.
Back up.
Good.
Yeah, I got it. Hey, call that. No, hey. Hey, back up, back up. Back up.
Back up, back up, back up.
Back up.
Look closely as the suspect levels his rifle. At this range, any hesitation is fatal. The officers are exposed, staring down the barrel with zero cover. The danger is immediate. The chaos is real. And in this split second, the only option is to fall back and survive.
15 George 10, we have shots fired. Officer needs help. It's going to be on Hamlin and Beck. Respond southbound from Beck.
All units, officer needs help. Hamlin and Beck, officer needs help. Hamlin and Beck, respond southbound from Beck. Any area unit come on North Hollywood, frequency, shots fired.
Officer needs help. This is the highest priority call in the city. It means life or death. Every unit in North Hollywood is now racing to this spot. There is no turning back.
Lift your hands. Step out with your hands up, sir. Come on, more. Keep coming. Keep your hands up.
Over here. Over here. Turn around.
Who else is in the house?
The suspect finally steps into the light, and he is not what you expected. Meet Arsen Zalyan. He is 70 years old, a grandfather who just went head-to-head with an entire tactical squad. Inside the residence, investigators recovered an AEA semi-automatic airsoft carbine, a replica designed to mirror a real weapon. They also discovered the motive behind his resistance: over 240 pounds of cannabis. As a result, 70-year-old Arsen Zalyan was charged with 2 felony counts of assault with a deadly weapon upon a peace officer and 1 count of cultivating cannabis plants. This discovery highlights a critical lesson in law enforcement. Under the Fourth Amendment, an officer is judged by what is reasonable in the moment, not by facts discovered after the smoke clears. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of how replica firearms lead to real-world tragedy. Arsen Zalyan now faces a legal reality that changed his life in a split second. Our goal at Blue Line Raw is to provide an educational look into the high-pressure world of policing and the legal standards that govern it. Thank you for watching. For more insightful breakdowns, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw